Hi, and welcome to Beameron's mini sniper rifle. It's sort of semi-automatic, and I will now show you how it fires and what it fires. So let's take the gun. As you can see, it uses gears, and they go all the way back to here, under this thing. Okay, so I will now show you loading it, the ammo, just push it in like this. Okay, normally it's already in the mag, so it's kind of shit to do it right now. Okay, so you got it in it like this. You're just gonna aim. We're just gonna aim at, I don't know what, well, anything. Okay, so I'll shoot to my wall, and 1, 2, 3. I'm not sure if you saw that, but it went pretty hard. Okay, it also, yeah, after you loaded it, you could also get a scope. This one I've made. You could make your own design, but I like this one. So you just have 4 yay connectors here, and I just pushed the ball joint connectors in it like this, as you can see, and I can now also really nicely aim, and there you go. It can hold up to like 20 shots. The mag is removable. Just dunk this in. The blue rods can move, so you can easily push the flames aside. Also, it has a bipod. I just made a simple bipod. It uses one broken piece to let it hang under here nicely. But yeah, if you want to have a nice gun, you have to sacrifice something. And I already had lying, so that's why it's also in a different color. So you can see the bipod is the whole gun. It's a really comfy handle trigger with some sort of trigger guard thing, and it can hold up to like 12, maybe 20 rubber bands, and it fires at about 90 to 110 feet. So yeah, it's a great gun. Maybe I'll post it if you all like it. I post some pictures. So yeah, check it out. Bye.